Hello guys, my name is Atharva and today I am going to show you how Microsoft Azure provides virtual machine in online terminal. So let's begin. Firstly, you have to log into the portal.azure.com, create your account and log in with the password. After you creating account, just log in to the account. After that, you can see a lot of services are given by the Microsoft Azure. But today we are going to see virtual machines. So search for virtual machine and select the first one option which located in services. Now you can see there is a first option is create, then switch to classic, and there are some other types of options like manage view, refresh and open query. You have to click on create and select the virtual machine. After selecting virtual machine, this window will be appear. Now you can see there are 7 steps to create virtual machine. First one is basic, then disk, networking, management, advanced, tags, and last one is review and create. As per now, you can see a project detail. First you have to select a subscription. I have a free trial version, so I selected free trial. Then you have to create a group, or if you already created a group, just select that group. In my case, I don't have any group, so I created new resources group like demo 2. After that, you have to give a name to that virtual machine. Then you have to select a region and click on the next button for the next step. After you clicking a next button, you can see there are a creation step of a virtual machine. First you have to select the username and create a new password for that. Again you have to enter that same password for the confirmation. Step is inbound port rule. This stands for the virtual network ports and network accesses on the networking lab. For example, I am choosing the inbound port like RDP. You have to must select RDP. If you select SSH port, then it don't be work. So please select RDP port and click on the next button or next disk. After clicking next button, you are going to come on this page. Basically, this is a digital version of your physical machines or computer that has been run by the software and a program for the operating system to storing data, connect to network and other computing function. As you can see, you have to choose the default factor of encryption type. After you selecting the default factor of encryption type, just click on next to networking. For me, this is the last step of creating virtual machine. But for you, you can create and go for the advanced settings, next to tags and review and create. But Azure is an security center provides the management and affected to the threat protection across the hybrid cloud workload. That's why I am not going to go with the advanced option. I choose to stay with the standard one. As you can see in this screen, the boot diagnostic has been enabled with manage the storage account. After selecting everything, just click on review and create and wait for 2 to 3 minutes to deploying and creating the virtual machine. As you guys can see, this is the last step to create the virtual machine. You have to just simply read the all the networking and management information and just click to create, and you can download other templates or authenticator app to authenticate more securely. So basically I choose the shared IP for the public IP, and I choose acceleration networking off. These are the main settings you have to look up. After waiting 2 to 3 minutes, the deployment process has been completed. Now you can see the next step: set up auto shutdown, monitor VM health, performance and network dependency. You can run a script inside the virtual machines, which I am going to show you ahead. As you can see the right side in the notification panel, the deployment succeed. As you can see on my screen, my subscription is free trial and I create a new resource group like demo 2. After successful completed this step, come back to home button or home page and again choose a virtual machine. After you opening virtual machine page, you can see your virtual machine IP address. After you see the virtual machine IP address, just click on start button, search for remote desktop connection and click on the run as administration. After you clicking the run as administration, the RDC means remote desktop connection has been opened. Now you have to put the same and exact address of your virtual machine to the computer section. Then click on the connect. After you click the connect button, the next page will be appear. You have to enter your username, password and click on the OK. After you are clicking OK button, the virtual machine has been started. It will take up to 3 to 4 minutes for opening because it depends on your internet speed. If your internet speed is good, then it will open immediately, but in some cases it take up to 5 minutes also. So wait for 5 minutes. After waiting 5 minutes, in my screen you can see the virtual machine has been started. Now how can you cross check if the virtual machine is genuine or not, or what can you can do with this virtual machine? I mean how can you host the virtual machine servers, networks and etc things. So let's begin to cross check with the virtual machine. You have to open PowerShell command line or Windows command prompt. If you open PowerShell command line or Windows command prompt, just put start IP explore and click enter. After clicking enter, you can see the Internet Explorer has been started. Now the virtual machine has been started successfully and opening the Internet Explorer. After opening Internet Explorer, you can create a virtual server, virtual host, hosting website, application hosting website and other services provided by the Microsoft Azure. So this is this short and simple video to create virtual machine, virtual network in the Microsoft Azure. Hopefully this video is helpful for you to create virtual machine. For any other services, please comment down below. Thank you guys.